Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make something to eat and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. Chicken. This is rotisserie chicken that I bought at home and cut off the bone, put it in the baggie. We're gonna call it a day. Wind is picking up. These little camp stoves run super duper hot because the pan itself is so close to the flame. You have to take it on, take it off so you don't burn your food. Not the most convenient. But it'll do. Alright, so we're gonna go with chicken, pepper, onion, unfortunately, I ran out of pepper. So we'll use salt. And I did make this awesome spice concoction, wherever the heck that went, right here. It just says food spice. So onion powder, garlic powder, some chipotle stuff. I had some homemade from scratch Cajun stuff, salt, pepper, paprika. It's all in here. And put that on liberally, because that's going to be your flavor. Then I'm going to get a little bit of water here. I wish I could smell it. Ooh, girl, it smells good. And we just add the peppers and the onions. And I don't like my vegetables mushy, so I have this awesome water pump here on my bottle, and you've probably seen it on my channel, but I have a 3-gallon water bottle here with a pump on it, so that's perfect for keeping clean, washing your hands and your dishes. I wish I had pepper, but I don't. But it is what it is, right? Alright, so while that's cooking up a little bit, I'm going to clean my utensils, which I use this thieves spray because it's non-toxic. You don't have to, you just spray it and rinse it. Just really spray it and wipe it down. Don't think I need this anymore. And I don't think I need my spoon. Right. Okay. turn the heat up a little bit. Oh boy, that's really, really good. So basically, what I'm gonna put it on is one of these guys. Check it out. Low carb, man. Yeah. They're very, very good. Really good. Okay, so we're gonna let that cook down a little bit. All right, I think it's good. Pretty good, eh? Healthy, quick, fast, and real food. That's really important. Real food. Not processed, not fake. Now the tortilla thingy, yeah, slightly processed but low carb. Good stuff in there. Flax and all the good stuff. Yeah. So there you have it. It's like a quick little fajita. Alright guys. Like, subscribe, share. Together we can learn, right? That's it. Have a fabulous day, and I'll catch up with you next time.